Welcome to AlphaCars. My name is Dimitri, and today we're checking out 2018 Porsche GT3 Touring, a rare example that we have here at AlphaCars thanks to one of our local customers who decided to sell the vehicle. Let's check it out. Look at these gorgeous body lines. We're going to show it to you and walk around the vehicle. Impeccable condition. The car has all original factory body panels, original factory paint on all body panels, and the paint has been protected from day one by an Xpel protection film, paint protection film, which has been applied to the front end of the vehicle, front bumper, both front fenders, the hood panel, the pillars, which continue into the quarter panel. So they did not do pillars and stopped right here. They actually continued on, covered the quarter panels, and from the quarter panels they did the paint protection film on the rear bumper. Let's continue with checking out the vehicle. The person who is selling the vehicle is our local customer, and before he bought the vehicle, he had the Porsche dealer install all new brakes just to start fresh. And the original brakes were not used or overused. This car was never tracked, and you'll see it. It's simply, he just wanted to have new brakes. He didn't want to see any scoring on the brake rotors, even minimal ones. Look at the condition of this. This is all done by the Porsche dealer before he picked up the vehicle. No imperfections on the windshield. So far, no imperfections anywhere on the vehicle, and we're gonna check out the super exciting interior with these sport manual seats. Impeccable condition, brand new condition, including a brand new car smell comes with this offering. Yeah, this is a very easy to relate the condition of this vehicle. It is simply close to new vehicle condition. I'm not seeing any imperfections, any chips, any dings, no scuffs on the interior, even the seat edge, which is challenging to get over to get into the seat, but once you're there, it is a sport seat, and yes, it is an exciting vehicle. We're gonna get the vehicle started to hear the exhaust. Any questions, give us a call here at AlphaCars, 978-263-9000, or simply visit the website, alphacars.com. Thank you very much for watching this video.